In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Unranked in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking and presenting all of the Unranked modes available in Counter-Strike 2. So, all that you have to do to play Unranked in CS2 is to go over to play and choose between any of these standard modes here. So you will have Casual, Deathmatch, and Arms Race. These are going to be the replacements for Unranked in CS2. So the best one, and the one that resembles the standard gameplay the most, is going to be Casual. In Casual, the teams aren't going to be 5 versus 5, but still, you will be able to get the general standard Counter-Strike experience. Something that I need to make very clear is that back in Counter-Strike Go, you might remember the actual unranked mode, so there used to be an actual 5 versus 5 unranked mode. This mode has been removed by Valve, so as it stands today, the only unranked options that you have are going to be Casual, Deathmatch, and Arms Race, and Casual is the one that I'm going to showcase. I just wanted to make that very clear. Competitive has ranks attributed to it, just like Wingman, and Premier, of course, has the CS rating. So the only option that you have if you want to play unranked is going to be Casual. You can choose between any of these map groups here, and then you can just go ahead and queue up. You will be matched up with random people on your region, and you will load into any of the official Valve servers. I just wanted to make that distinction very clear. If you wanted to play unranked 5 versus 5, that is impossible. That mode has been removed by Valve, so the only option that you have is going to be Casual, which is going to be 10 versus 10. By playing this mode, you will be able to play without affecting your rank, so your CS rating or your ranking for individual maps in competitive is going to remain the same, regardless of winning, losing, or tying. So the best option to do unranked right now during the time that I'm recording this video is going to be this one in CS2, which is Casual. I hope I was able to help you on how to play unranked in CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.